Hey guys, how you doing? All right, so everything's going good on my eating plan. Y'all know I'm on a new eating plan. Still gonna be doing my videos. Still gonna be trying out things. The show must go on. But I am working with Profile by Sanford, and they are teaching me the proper things to eat: protein, small amount of fat, all that kind of stuff. No sugar, no carbs. They're doing it right. They got a coach that's keeping me accountable, which is really cool. So I check in with her once a week, and it's going great. If you're interested in checking into it, they are the sponsor of today's episode, Profile by Sanford. I thank them. I'm down like 11 or 12 pounds right now. Everything's going great. Only been doing it about a week. So I feel good. I expect this program to take me out of the diabetic range, and I can stop taking diabetic medicine. That's my goal. My goal is to drop 100 pounds, really. But that's the long term goal. The short is stop taking medicine. Anyway, so let's get back to food right now. It's called, I mispronounced it last video. I totally blew it. I said Tzatziki or Tzatziki, I don't know. But the way you're supposed to say it, now I'm trying to say it wrong and I can't. It's Tzatziki. Tzatziki is the cucumber dip that you get with your Euro sandwiches. It's Greek. Everybody's begged me to do Greek salads and Greek dishes and Greek dressings and all that stuff. That vinaigrette, by the way, was a home run. I loved it. It was amazing. If you missed it, go back to my cucumber salad, Greek cucumber salad. That vinaigrette is so valuable. So check that out, okay? All right, so come on in close and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get all our ingredients. We got the measurements going. We're gonna measure out the yogurt and the sour cream in a little bit, but we're gonna have to do this first. We're gonna have to get this unwrapped. These cucumbers are not helpful, okay? But I don't want any plastic in my dish, so take your time, make sure you get all the plastic off the cucumber. Alright, so one side of your grater will have the tiniest of holes. That's your grating side. The other side is your bigger holes. It's like for shredding cheese or onions or cucumbers. So we're using the grating side. I like this because I can hold this in place and I can just... Okay, once you've grated the English cucumber, it's going to look like that. I put it in a little colander bowl so it could drip into this bowl because water's just coming out of it right now, okay? What you're going to do is sprinkle a little salt. So let me get some salt. This is to draw the moisture out of the cucumber. It's like salting meat. Just put a little salt on the cucumbers. Okay, you can see I sprinkled salt on it, right? And you gotta wait 15 minutes. Then we're gonna squeeze it really good to get the last of the moisture out. And then we're gonna use that. Okay, so as you know, we grated the cucumbers, we salted them, and now we're going to press the juice out of them. So I'm going to press it. It's in a colander inside a bowl. So when the juice comes out, it'll still be in the bowl. All right. I'm pressing that. Pressing that as much as I can. Okay. You want to get all the liquid out. You can use cheesecloth, paper towels, towels, anything you want. But make sure you salvage up that. See, it's still in there. Still all beautiful. All right, put that off to the side. Bring your mixing bowl. First thing is our Greek yogurt. Try and get all that in there. Okay. This is our sour cream. There we go. Okay. First thing you want to do is mix this up before you add anything else. So get that all blended together. This is great for any dressing base. You can make your own dressings. Use sour cream and Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. You can use mayonnaise, but soybean oil is not healthy to some eating plans. Not the healthiest of oils. There. There you go, as you can see. Okay. I can't remember if I told you a little bit of oil, but we're going to add it in right now. Just like a tablespoon of olive oil. That's definitely going in. Not sure if I had that in the opening scene, but it will be in the recipe down below, I promise. Okay. There's our garlic. It's been out. It's all room temperature. It's all good and beautiful. Here's our salt and pepper. Here's freshly squeezed lemon juice from 1/2 a lemon. And there's some dill. Really, we don't need the whole thing. Maybe a tablespoon. There we go. All right. Get your fork. Give it a good mix. You can use a whisk if you want. You can use a mixer. Our cucumbers. I don't know why it's not coming out. Gonna have to get my hand in there and get it all wet and yucky. There we go. There we go. All this drained out cucumber stuff. We're gonna mix that in. That should make it absolutely wonderful. I almost forgot to put those cucumbers in. I strained them, but I mixed it all up, and then I saw it in the corner of my eye, and I thought, oh, let's get them in there. They broke up beautifully. There's a nice sparkle of green in the white sauce. You could smell the lemon juice. You could smell the dill. Absolutely delicious. This is what you can get like when you order your gyros or a Greek salad or a Greek plate. Just a Greek plate. So let's give this a try. Wow. That's tangy. Got that beautiful fresh cucumber taste to it. Got that creaminess of the sour cream and the yogurt. This is definite. Make a batch of this, put it in the jar, put it in the fridge. Real good. I highly recommend this. This is the real deal. All right? Give this a try. Go get your Greek salad. Go get some of the Greek meat. You can get that at Sam's Club. It's the shaved, I think it's the shaved pork. Or I don't know if it's, I think it depends on what meat you like. They'll shave different meats for you. But anyway, excuse me, this is nailed. This is awesome. Keep this recipe. You're going to want it. Get your Greek on, all right? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.